I want to take a look at this problem, problem 60. You got a good start. So first what I'm going to do is read through this with you. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a simpler problem. Okay? Same structure, but a little bit easier. Because I think it's the wording that was throwing you, not the math. Okay? So when we look at 60 and this family who is packing the car, okay, when they were packing up for the trip, they had put 1/6 of the food packets into the separate pack. And so, yep, right here, I see that you have 1/6. Okay, so you have that labeled. Okay, and it said, next, Darlene put 1/2 of what was left. Okay, so then we had all this that was left. And I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you put half of what was left? I think so. I think that's the information you got to pay attention to. I see kind of a half spot right here. So that makes me wonder. Okay, let's go on. Then Kelly and Casey each packed 1/3 of what was left. Okay, Kelly and Casey. I'm not sure why that's a third. And finally, Kendra put the last 5 packets in her pack. So, oops, you know who's missing from here? I don't see Kendra on your list. I see that you know that Kelly and Casey would both equal 10 packets because you know that Kelly and Casey individually are the same amount as Kendra would be. Okay, so, but let's have you do this one. You can go back to this one after, zoop, zoop, you do this one. Okay, I'm going to give you 17. So read through this, and the key information I want you to think about is, okay, Rainbow Robots was putting on a big demonstration. Everyone came to watch the colorful robots wash the windows at the Miller Building. First, the big red robot washed 1/2 of all the windows in the building. Then the smaller green robot washed 2/3 of the windows that were left. Okay, so think of drawing a diagram that shows half and then 2 halves, right? And then the smaller green robot washed 2/3 of the windows that were left. So inside that other half, you're going to have to make thirds, and so on and so on. So let's have you read this one over and do this one. To the cheers of everyone watching, the tiny yellow robot washed the last 10 windows. How many windows did the rainbow's robots wash altogether? Okay, so I'm going to recommend that you read this 3 times. So you get to know the situation. The second time, maybe you draw your diagram and label it. And then, put your numbers in there. Choose a strategy. It says the most important piece of information you have is at the end of the problem, the 10 windows washed by the yellow robot. And it says you will need to work backwards using this information. So do this. Obviously, you're going to have to post your solution on a different piece of paper and upload it to me. And then after I see how 17 went, then you can rework 60. All right. Thank you. Bye.